it's finally gonna get the oil pan. All right, what do we got here?
Cameraman. Is it good with the sun or not?
Oh, it's perfect.
So, yeah, not that long ago I got this car from a Copart, and it got a hole in the bottom of the engine, and luckily it's an oil pan that can be removed. So we got all the stuff in here, a bunch of different tools and parts and freaking jack, and there's another engine support bar over there. And it should be interesting and exciting to me, just because this is something that I've never done before. And I hope this car doesn't have a rod knock after I'm finished with it. But once I'll check this car up a little bit higher, I'm going to show you the crack that it has in there. So,
come on, Mr. Crack, let's go.
Get my stuff together.
What you doing?
So, safety first, that's why we got 2 jack stands and 2 full-size wheels underneath the car, just because I don't want to die. That's first thing. And we lifted it high enough so I can fit myself underneath and actually start disassembling the subframe. So for us, we would need to drop the subframe and the power steering rack in order for me to access to the bolts that actually are mounting the oil pan to the engine. That's pretty much what the whole struggle is. We also have this nice little engine support bar that we're gonna put on the top of the engine, and put these legs on the fender, and using a hook or a chain so we will be able to lift it up. That way it won't fall on me while I unbolt the subframe bolts and the motor mounts. So it should be fun.
Yeah, so
Yeah, we got
done pulling that off.
And here's that crack.
Here, you want to point it out?
Yeah.
It's right there.
Here. It's a pretty big crack, and it goes all the way there. So it's bad. And what else we have? Look at this exposed power steering rack. You can see the gears from other side and all of that.
Literally looks like a fractured bone.
It is. Must have been a bad hit, because it's not easy to crack this. It's a really hard material.
Alright, so can the engine stabilizer, whatever you want to call it,
Support bar.
support bar,
So this one goes here, and then do you think we can make it?
Okay. Time to drop that, huh?
Or 14.
So we're gonna put this underneath the subframe, right?
Yeah, just put it on the cross member. Hi. We're almost.
How far did you get?
I got a screw out. We just need to take the dipstick off. That's all. And we'll be able to take the pan off, but we're running out of sunlight. So most likely we're just going to cut it for today. Maybe talking the next day, and it was really hot today, so we're kind of having a late start, but we gotta take the power steering off, power steering pump, in order for us to remove the rest of the bolts that go through the oil pan. That's why we cannot take the oil pan off. It's hot, dude. I'm like so. And then we're gonna put a slap a new oil pan in there with a gasket and new motor mounts as well, since we're already there. Not drinking a juice, and this is not sponsored by Orange Pineapple 7-Eleven flavor, but we're gonna start.
Stay out of my tropical life, okay?
Tropical. Already.
Who are you?
Oh, I'm just extra in the video.
I'm just extra.
All right, my dude. Alright, it got dark again. We were able to put the new oil pan in. It's done. It's a lot of work still left. I have to finish. Yo, what do you got to say?
Does it look much from behind?
Oh, here's the old one.
Well, I'm gonna show it in the daytime.
Yeah.
Done. I'm toast for today, so I'm done. I'm done.
We're
Basta.
done.